Hi everyone, good morning. So this is day 17 of my self improvement journey, and let's talk about something. I have to say lots of things. So start. I don't know where to start. So I started. Uh, Tomorrow I started. Hmm, I will explain the thing that happened tomorrow. Sorry, happened yesterday. After the night. In the night I don't get the time to record the video, so I did not record the video from there, and I was tired, so I slept around at 9:30 p.m. But what is in my mind that after 4 hours or 3 hours, that at 12:30 a.m. one thing was running in my mind, and what is that? That I was thinking that okay, I have not recorded the video, I have not edited the day 16 video, so how will I do? I have to do this, I have to do this. Like this I was thinking, and at 12:30 p.m. I woke up and I sat for I washed my face, and then I sat for edit the video, and when I went to edit the video I got lagging, means I don't get the flow in video editing, so I just kept it normal, but I uploaded in the by normal editing, by doing normal editing. So it was the day of, at 3:30 p.m. I woke up again. After editing I slept at around 1:30 a.m. Then I again woke up at 3:30 a.m. But that time I felt little bit tired, so I slept, and I got up fully I got up from the bed at 5:30 a.m. Then after freshen up I am here on my terrace, and after that I did my exercise and meditation. Now I have completed that, and I am now recording this video as the first clip of the day. Now I will go in my room because I have to drop my sister to school, and after that I will come, and I have some work, so I will do that, and I will explain you in the second clip. So be with me. And I have also thought about a script that was my other channel. And one thing that I would like to share about my channel is that yesterday I posted the video at 7:23 p.m. because I got the idea to ChatGPT that what time I should post so that it will get more views. So he suggests me around 7:30 p.m. so everyone will be free, and if Instagram posts your video, so they will see. And it happened. I got approx 90 views and in just 1 hour, but it got stuck. But I know, but I don't mean to do that. I have to just focus on the results. No, I don't have to focus on the, I have to just focus on the improvement. Doesn't matter where it will go. So bye. Hi, this is the second clip of my video of self improvement, and I don't know, I have not remembered, and I have not seen that I have said this or not. So this is the day 17 of my self improvement journey. Where to start? So let's first talk about the things that I have done. After doing the things that I always doing in the morning, after completing that, I means going school to drop my sister, and after coming from there, let's talk about from here. What I did, I just came home, and then I started watching YouTube videos to find out something, and I also did my breakfast. After that, I slept. Yeah, today I feel little tired because I am hustling for 16 days continuously, because and live like burnout. And do you know one thing? Yeah, I have also said this. Sorry, I don't want to say this again. And after that, as usual, I also went to buy some ration. And after coming from there, let me talk about an incident that happened with me today. What happened when I went to buy some ration? So when I give the money to the shopkeeper, he thinks I took the ration of 200 rupees. But when I gave the money to the shopkeeper, he returned me 50 rupees. That time I did not notice this, and I came home, and when I see that, I saw how he returned me 50 rupees. I think he mistakenly returned me 50 rupees. So I went to shop, and I said to him that you gave me 50 rupees more, 50 rupees, that by mistakenly. So he got happy. And what I would like to say you that in the first I thought that I should keep this, but later I thought no, maybe it's 50 or maybe it's 500. I should not do this. I feel dishonest type feeling. Means I am working on the self improvement. So I just thought that what I am doing, this will have impact. This will keep an impact over my self confidence. Self confidence. So not means if I did not return that money, I will always think that what he will, or maybe by mistakenly he will get remembered that how I returned him 50 rupees, and when I will go there next time, he will point out me from that thing. So I focused, and I don't know what, but this thing didn't come in from that time. I just focused, so I should return him. So I returned him and I came. I feel relaxed. Yeah, literally that time I felt relaxed. And then I went to my coaching, and after coming from coaching I went on my terrace just to record a video, and I am also recording this video here, and it is around 6 p.m. I recorded a short video, but that's not recorded so well, but I will try. I will put that video if it will be good, or maybe I will take this. And I would like to say that I have also practiced the things that I should keep working, and I am looking for the project. Means I am looking for the CapCut, that my CapCut is not working and I am getting problem in editing. So let's see. Now I am going in my room, and I will change my dress because I have just come from my coaching and I have not changed my dress. Maybe this will be sounds little. Someone is coming, so I should stop the recording video. So okay, bye. If I have got the time to, I will record this in this third clip, and if I not get the time to record the third clip, so I will say thank you for this video. And if you are watching, so give me your comment and give me your feedback that what should I improve. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.